going to explain about inner guide or the inner critic. Most of us are familiar with the experience of silently talking to ourselves. Suppose you are in an important meeting with your boss in a few hours time, or you are appearing for an interview the next morning. In that case, you rehearse as how you may reply to certain probable questions. Maybe you did something terribly wrong or forgot to do something very important, then feel blameful while speaking to yourself. This is a phenomenon of what psychologists call the inner voice. For some, this voice speaks up occasionally. For others, voice comes more frequently. Inner voice is a verbal stream of thoughts or thinking in words. It also refers to nearly constant inner talk one has with oneself at a conscious or subconscious level. Most of what people consciously report thinking about may be thought of as a conversation with oneself. We have known for about a century that inner speech is accompanied by tiny muscular movements in the larynx, detectable by a technique known as electromyography. There is evidence that inner speech or voice and speaking out loudly utilize similar brain mechanisms. Since it is a private act, it is difficult to do research on others. Inner voice is completely natural and healthy. It is a mixture of our positive, negative, and neutral thoughts. This internal dialogue can influence our feelings and behavior. If our inner voice is mainly negative, harsh, or unrealistic, it can further increase our mental stress. In this silent self-talk, we are our own judge with no right of appeal. At times, we are arguing with ourselves on contentious issues, analyzing them from different angles, evaluating our decisions. Our inner critic encourages us to see the world through a negative filter. Sometimes we notice that we have contradicting views about ourselves. Besides, our inner voice also includes negative thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes that oppose our best interests and diminish our self-esteem. The challenge is to identify gradually, dilute, and finally abolish this critical internal voice. Taking these actions will increase our sense of self and weaken this internal enemy, our inner voice. The better we know ourselves, the better we are able to make conscious, informed decisions about our lives. We can reshape our self-perception and understand who we really are and what we really want in our lives. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.